Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You'll start by verifying prerequisites. Make sure your AMD drivers are current and Windows recognizes the GPU. Once done, download and extract Nvidia Profile Inspector, executable, run the exe directly, no installer needed. You're doing this to access per application profiles and tweak driver-level settings not exposed elsewhere. Make a quick restore point or note existing values so you can revert changes if a profile causes instability. With the inspector open, choose the game or create a custom profile for the executable you want to tweak. You'll change specific entries, power management for consistent clocks, the frame limiter to avoid tearing, and anti-aliasing mode only when the app doesn't expose options. Remember why. Forcing driver-level behavior can fix stuttering or visual quirks on AMD hardware. After applying a change, test immediately. If you find a combo that works, export the profile so you can reapply it quickly on future setups. Finalize by applying profiles and launching the target app to validate results. You should run a short stress test and watch temps and clock behavior. That confirms the changes actually engage. If you see crashes or graphical artifacts, revert incrementally, undo the last tweak, or use your restore point if needed. If the inspector itself misbehaves on AMD, try compatibility mode, an older inspector build, or run as administrator. One quick tip: keep a known good export so recovery is fast and repeatable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.